All right, what is up, y'all? We are back with another episode of Brutally Simple Cooking, and today we've got for you another liver recipe. Now, you know that you need to be consuming liver because it's so freaking good for you, but the problem is it tastes like liver. So what you need is a good recipe that disguises the taste of liver but still allows you to get the nutritional benefits of the liver. So today what we have for you is beef and liver meatloaf. That's right. Now remember what brutally simple cooking means. It means starting with real food first. It means simple ingredients and simple processes. And pro tip, make sure that you have mise en place, everything in its place. You got all your ingredients laid out, so you're not running to the store last minute because you forgot something. All right, now for equipment, we've got a mixing bowl and we've got a glass baking dish. Now you can use one of those meatloaf pans if you want to, but pro tip, we're not fans of non-stick. All right, and then for ingredients, we've got about a pound of ground beef. We've got a quarter pound of chicken liver. We got a half an onion diced up. We got 2 eggs. And we've got either a cup of pork rinds chopped up to mimic breadcrumbs, or I've been experimenting with learning how to make my own traditional, naturally leavened sourdough rye bread for my clients and my community. Now, pro tip, if you're gonna do some bread, it has to be a traditional sourdough that's rye based. And then for seasonings, we've got unrefined salt, black pepper, garlic powder, which by the way, pro tip, this is the brutally simple cooking trio seasoning mix. It's almost all you need most of the time. And we've got your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever that might be. Today we're using Hack's organic barbecue sauce. This is Chipotle bourbon. You can also use the Primal Kitchen series. It's a really good one. Now, first thing we're gonna do is crumble the ground beef into the mixing bowl. Pro tip, crumbling the ground beef makes it way easier to mix. Now next, we want to make sure this chicken liver is chopped up as fine as possible. All right, so I'm going to take each piece and chop it into as fine of pieces as I can. All right, then we're going to add the chopped liver to the ground beef. We're going to add our eggs. We're going to add our pork rinds or breadcrumbs. We're going to add our onion. We're going to do about a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. And we're gonna add about a half a cup of barbecue sauce. All right, and then we're just gonna mix this up really well. All right, and then we're gonna pour this mixture into our baking dish. I'm gonna mash it down. And then we're gonna add one more half cup to the top of this sucker. All right, and then we're gonna have the oven set at 360 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for about 45 minutes. Pro tip, have bacon cooking at all times. And hot out of the oven, look at that gorgeousness. And now let's go ahead and give this an authentic taste with an authentic reaction. Holy moly! This is legit. You can't even taste the liver. Not that that would be a bad thing. So good. Now, there you have it, folks. Brutally simple beef and liver meatloaf. Simple, delicious, and nutrient dense. Now, the next time some man walks up to you in the street and looks you in the eye and asks you, son, have you had your liver today? You can say with confidence, pro tip, yes, sir, I've had my liver. It was in my meatloaf.